So here we are again with more ghidra signature finding. This is probably the 100th attempt at recording this, so I've put together a script now as it has been a mess. For bhop timer, we have the TeamFull function in Counter-Strike source. We also are finding the TF2 signatures, which were not shown in the previous signature finding video. And then there's also a signature for BunnyhopAPE, which we'll be finding, which is in client.dll, which we will be referencing the source 2013 SDK for. So I guess to start with, we'll do the TeamFull in Counter-Strike source. We'll copy this string over, head over to our server.dll, and this string will put us at the bottom of the function, right here at the very bottom. Team is full. We'll scroll up to the top of this if statement to the function call, and right here is TeamFull. We'll copy this to make sure it's correct. Yep, all right. Now we'll head over to the TF2 signatures, and the first one will be DoAnimationEvent. This search string will put us in the setAExact console command handler. And at the bottom of the handler, there is a call to DoAnimationEvent, this function right here. Generate the signature and check also to make sure it's correct. Or I guess if it is the same as the one in the game data, which has not changed, so it would be correct. All right, now we'll move on to MaintainBotQuota. We'll use a single word string match to find it. There are two references here. The first one leads to something. I don't even know what this first one is, but the second one is MaintainBotQuota. Generate the signature also to check. Looks like makesig.py gave us 4 extra bytes, but the /2a is the quote-unquote any byte, so that's fine. Next we'll find NextBotCreatePlayerBot with the search string. It'll lead us straight to the function. Only one reference. Generate the signature for this function. Oh, I fucked up. Did I? I don't know what I did. Oh wait, there we go. Haha. So 4 extra bytes again. They're any bytes, so they do not matter. I'm not going to do physics check for entity and touch. I don't like finding it. It's in the other video. The path will be exactly the same in TF2. For CalcPlayerScore, the scoreboard mini game string, it's used in only one place as an entity attribute, I believe. On what exactly, I cannot remember. Compare the string also here. Yep, also has an extra byte too, which is the any byte, does not matter. Now we'll move on to the CheckJumpButton in client.dll. We can reference the source SDK 2013 code. And so now we'll head over to our client.dll. So there's no string that's searchable here. There is a CheckJump string in the code, but it doesn't lead anywhere. There's not any references in the actual binary, unfortunately. We can search for this float value here, though, and it will only have one reference and lead us straight to the function. So decimal float, we search the memory. I've already named the function as I've been here like 20 times. We'll scroll to the top to walk through all the if statements. So the first one is dead flag. That's this first check. The second one is FL water jump time. Then we have the water level check, greater than or equal to 2. 1 is less than the water level, blah, blah, blah. And then the next one is ground entity. That's this function call here. Slow movement, that is, that's probably this first part of this if statement. But the second part here where it does the bit mask and on 2, which is the input jump constant. That right there is what we're searching for. And this jump instruction here is what's patched in BunnyhopAPE. BunnyhopAPE, the signature leads to about the middle of the function for whatever reason, and then it adds 15 to the start of this, which puts it right here at 0f85 00ff. The 00 is in any byte, so that's kind of doesn't matter, but in the actual binary that we have here, it's 04. We'll also find the check jump button in the Linux version of client.dll, client.so. So the same float can be used to find it. Here we are. It should be a little bit easier to find as it's a single line itself, which is very nice. the ampersand too, I should clarify. There we are. We have the jump instruction here and the Linux binary too. Goodbye.